Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the problem, we are asked to simplify. So let us begin. You can see here, this means inverse. This also means inverse. So before we do anything, let us first of all remove the inverse. How do we do that? It simply means that we are going to take the bottom number to the top and the top number to the bottom in order to remove this inverse. The same thing applicable to this other side. So let us do that. So it will become 125 over 64 it will now be raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 169 all over 36 raised to the power of 1 over 2. At this point, we know that 125 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 3, which means 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. So we write 5 raised to the power of 3 all over. We know that 4 times 4 times 4 will give us 64. So we can write it as 4 raised to the power of 3. Now let us do for this part. But before we do, let us bring down let us write the power 1 over 3. So let us do the same thing here. We know that 169 can be written as 13 raised to the power of 3. So let us write it 13 raised to the power of 2, because 13 times 13 is 169 all over 36. We know that 6 times 6 is what? 36. So raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now in indices, we know that when the powers are the same, we can actually take one of the powers and do it like this. Let me just write it for you to see. What I'm trying to say is we can do it like this: 5 over 4 to the power of 3, since the both top and bottom have the same power. Now this power now that we bring out will be multiplying this other power here, plus the same thing here, since the both powers are the same, so we are going to use one of it, 13 all over 6. So we bring down one of the powers, 2, which will be multiplying the 1 over 2 power. So now as we have it like this, the next thing we are going to do is, if you look very well, you will see that 3 is multiplying this 1. So 3 times 1 will give us 3 all over 1, which means 3 will cancel out. The same thing here, these 2 will cancel out. So we are left with 5 all over 4 plus 13 all over 6. At this point, we are going to cross multiply. We are going to do what? We are going to cross multiply. Now we know that if we want to leave our answer in fraction, let's say we want to use LCM method. Now we know that 4 times 6 is 24. So we write 24. 6 times 5, we know that is what? 30. So we write 30. Plus, we know that 4 times 13 is 40. Is 52. So we have it as 52. So now our final answer will now be 30 plus 52 will give us 82 all over 24. And if we want to go further, we know that 82, 2 can actually go into 82, which will give us 41. And 2 can actually go into 24, which will give us 12. So our final answer will be 41 all over 12. Thanks for watching, and do well to follow my page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths Class. God bless you.